Two different sizes. Imagine that. Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Buck Does It. Next on Buck Skylark, I want to put that on there. Old Eileen will get her smile back. I have a cable I need to put on first because you can see here this one's all chewed up. Let me see if I can get you set up here. This is simpleton. The sunlight's working good for me today. So all there is just a little clip there. Right in here. There we go. Piece of cake gravy. This here we're going to throw in the junk pile. See you later. Well, look at that. That's a little different. This one's broke, isn't it? Well, how about that? Here, I thought I had a good one. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can do this without help of a jack or anything. One good thing, it has these cylinders on here. There's one. And here's two. Oh my gosh. Well, that went smoother than I thought. Well, we're right up in there. We can see down in there. But now we just have to put the bolts in and line it up. Boy, it looks different. That's just one step closer. Okay, we're gonna put the bolts in now, try to line this bumper up, but that bolt that goes down in the top is pretty tough to get to. I don't know if I'll get it or not. Get a couple things in here and see what happens. Put them in loose, and then looks like it's gonna line itself up, to tell you the truth, but I wanted to do this while I had it up in the air on the jack stands. I'll be taking it down off. So one more thing I want to do is go under there and check all the torque bell housing bolts, make sure they're all tight while it's in the air. I also want to see about taking that catalytic converter off of there. I only put that on there to get a little exhaust on it, so it wasn't so loud. That was the trunk lid opening. Might need a little tappy tap, right, Buff? I do have a bigger hammer. There it is. Little tappy tap. Okay, last couple bolts. Figured I'd be a little video action. Two different sizes. Imagine that. I'm bumpered. All right, I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell. Want to be notified? And remember, be good. Can't be good, be kind. See ya.